If the word fiber makes you think of bran flakes and extended stays on the toilet seat, you're probably aware that marketing efforts usually point out fiber's important role in preventing constipation. Fiber practically wears a label saying boring but important. But there's actually much more to fiber than just its role in keeping us regular. Getting enough fiber may help with weight loss, too. Fiber has the potential to affect weight in a couple of subtle but crucial ways. First, as an indigestible carbohydrate, fiber absorbs water and increases in bulk as it moves through the digestive tract. That helps you feel full, which in turn makes you less likely to overeat and consume excess calories. High-fiber foods are important to keep hunger at bay and maintain a healthy weight. Fiber provides a feeling of fullness, as it slows stomach emptying. Getting enough fiber may help with weight loss. According to the CDC, high-fiber foods are often also low-calorie, and they take longer to chew, giving your brain and gut more time to realize that you're full. That's also good news for weight management. As important as fiber is, most Americans still don't get enough of it. A love of fast and processed foods, which are usually low in fiber, gets in the way. In our fast-paced world, so many people rely on-the-go options like fast food, juices, and processed boxed snacks, but these foods have been stripped of their fiber. Dietary fiber is found mainly in whole plant foods, whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole grain flour, plus vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Increasing the amount of these foods that we eat, while decreasing processed foods in the diet, is a positive step towards both meeting our recommended daily fiber intake and maintaining a healthy weight. Nearly every health expert agrees that dietary fiber is an important pillar of wholesome nutrition. In fact, the fiber factor is a big reason the Mediterranean diet is successful at promoting overall health and longevity. Why is this the case? Because fiber keeps us regular, aka pooping consistently, prevents constipation, and ensures our digestive tract is functioning optimally. Therefore, a big clue as to whether or not you're getting enough fiber may come from the quantity and quality of your poop. A few telltale signs that a lack of fiber may be contributing to constipation include having less than 3 bowel movements per week, or stool that's difficult to pass and dry, hard, or lumpy.